Good morning, children. I'm going to teach you chapter 9, that is Internet Services. In previous, I've taught you chapter number 1, that was services. Everyone is aware of the Internet. Each and everyone is using the Internet. Even the children or old age person or everyone, whether they are poor person or they are very rich, everyone uses internet. So everyone is aware of this word. Okay, now what is the full form of the internet? The full form of the internet is international network. Internet. Now we all know that it is the very amazing technology for the human beings. It is very powerful technology for the human beings. Nowadays, everyone is connected with the internet. If we are doing our work from home, then we need internet. We are studying from our home, we need internet. If we are doing work on our shop also, then also we need internet to be connected with anyone from anywhere. Okay. Now, if there would have no internet, what will be happened? Nowadays we are suffering from a virus, and if there would have no internet, then what happened? We are not able to study, we are not able to work from home. So it is the very amazing technology for us that human being has developed, and it is a very much helpful for us. Now, how this network works? It connects network of network. It is just network of network. Now, what is network? What is network? On which I am working. On which I am working. Now, it's a single. I am not connected with anyone, so it's not a network. Now, if many computers are attached with the systems, other systems, that will be known as internet network. This becomes a network because all the computers are connected with each other. Okay, it's a server and these are the clients. So all the connected with the server. Now everyone is accessing their ideas and everyone is accessing their um technology with each other. Now types of network. There are basically 4 types of network. Though we don't have to deal with the network in this chapter, but for you, I'm just giving you a little knowledge about it. Types of networks. WAN, MAN. These are the basic 3 networks which are used. Now, I have told that it connects network of network. Now, two LAN can be connected. That is also a network of network. Or LAN and MAN can be connected. LAN and MAN can be connected. So these all are connected, and it becomes a network of network, and hence it becomes the internet. Internet is actually the network of networks. Okay. Now, second point.
5 मिनट का हो गया